Company creation. Earlier we have explained how to create a new company in Tally, setting the mandatory info. We now explain more details about them and additional info that you may set now. Data folder. Data folder is the folder directory where company data entered are stored. At the time of installation of Tally ERP9, the default data folder name is specified. Default data folder. At the time of creation of company, at company creation screen, at directory field, the default data folder name is shown and the field is skipped where the company data would be placed. The cursor comes to name field. Other data folder. To keep company data in any other data folder, press Shift tab or up arrow to move the cursor to directory field and enter the name of the data folder. For example, D Tally data or something, whatever it is for your company. After creation of company, you cannot change the name of data folder in company profile. Company name. The term company in Tally ERP9 means any accounting entity for which a separate set of accounting records are maintained, referred as Tally company. So, a Tally company may be created for personal accounts, a business organization of any form, proprietorship, partnership, company, an association, trust, or any entity for which a separate set of accounts are maintained. Branches of same legal company. When separate set of account records for a company called business entity are maintained for its various branches, warehouses, sales purchase depots, collection centers, etc., each of these separate accounting entity will be called a company, technically referred as Tally company, even if they are legally same company or organization. Separate Tally companies will be created for each of such accounting entity. Financial year of same company. A company may create separate Tally companies for each financial year. So a legal company may have several separate Tally companies for each of its distinct accounting entities for which separate accounting records are maintained in Tally ERP9. For each Tally company, Tally creates a separate reserved space to store all data for the respective company, called the Tally data folder. Separate company name. In such case, separate companies are to be created in Tally ERP9. To identify the specific company, add a suffix at the end of the company name. You cannot create two companies with same name at company name, like ABC company within bracket HO or ABC company Patna 1617 and so on. However, you may use same legal name at mailing name of the units of the same legal company. Mailing name. At mailing name, the company name as entered at name is carried. Remove the extra identifier if any, keeping only the legal name of the company that should be printed in all external documents and reports.